All right, guys, let me review one of my favorite items in the entire house. This is a neck mount that I use to shoot all my review videos, and I use it to shoot videos at my kids' sporting events and to do a little bit of vlogging. It is magnetic. The phone's gonna attach directly on here like this. I'm gonna do a POV. Boom, it's actually on right now. And then when I wanna disconnect it, just like that. So super simple. It's real flexible. This opens up just like that with this little lever right there. It sits and rests really comfortably right on my neck. And again, someone gave this to me knowing that I shoot review videos and didn't think I needed it. But now I can use my hands. I can actually shoot videos that are meaningful, and super thankful for this. So if you haven't got one of these, pick up one. You can use it for a lot of different things.